like it, huh? Come on then. Come on then, Lola. Come on, boo. Come on, Lola. What are you doing, girl? Come here then. There you go. Come play with your toy. Some toy. What's it? What are you doing, beautiful? Come on then. Come on. Come here. You coming out of the cage? Are you smelling? Are you smelling your new home? Are you beautiful? Lola, have a drink. Have some water. No. Hello, beautiful. Hello. Lee's going to put this on a stand. Oh, hi. So, we have a dog. It worked out, the video from yesterday when we were doing the DIY.
Yeah.
We found that puppy.
This is
her.
Lola.
She's called Lola, and she's joining our family, and we're very happy. So she's beautiful. Lee chose the colour because there was brown, white, and black. There was a bit of black, wasn't
Yeah,
there?
a little bit of black.
And then there was just black and white, and then there was this one. She's still black and white.
It's the ears that I love.
She just stood out to Lee, and she ran to us.
She was very playful. Wanted plenty of belly rubs.
Okay. Being other things out. She's like, I don't know any words yet. One day you're going to know the word treat.
Treat and walkies.
And then you'll hear the word vets and you'll be like, because you're going to have all your injections. We're going to keep you up to date. Yeah. Keep you up to date. I think we need to keep her up to date. Because some people don't, do they?
No.
I don't think Diesel's even up to date. He's a little shit and he won't go to the vets.
Yeah.
But you, Mrs. Oh, even your eye.
No bit of sleep. She was pining all the way.
I'm sorry. Did I just shut your eye? Can I play with your paws? Good girl. Come on, the bed. Yeah, they're the nice things I'm giving you.
One more. Yeah. Lola. Here you go.
She's like, I like them. Thank you.
It's down there. Hey, Lola. Ignore them. No, it's here. Oh, you dropped it. Here. Lola. Lola. Boop. Lola. What's it, Lola? What is it? What's that? What's it? What's it? What's it nice? What's it? What's it? After a bit, we won't be carrying you around everywhere. You
We'll
sure?
just let you. Huh?
Are you sure?
No. Oh, look at you! Look at you in the window. Window there. Yep. Can you take a selfie? Oh, I can't. I haven't got my phone. isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at her. She's even too fluffy for the pretty ones.
Miranda.
She's sulking.
No.
Layla, what are you doing? Yeah, but it depends what they're like, doesn't it?
You're right, you good girl.
But yeah. We picked. Lee kind of chose the colour. He fell in love, but I'm okay with it. I love her. She's gorgeous. The ears. Yeah, she's white and black ears. Have you not seen her? Oh, yeah, she's gorgeous.
What are you doing?
Yeah. Well, we've got 2 weeks, I think it is. No, a week. Yeah, like a week's worth of food for her, and then obviously I've got to get some food.